Nah, be up here somewhere. Hopefully I ain't them birds ain't take a shit on me. Not none. Not no shit. All right, that was real lucky. Definitely lucky. Oh man. That's the word. With Killer G up in here got everything he owned in the backseat of this motherfucker. What's up, YouTube? We back with another one, you dig? I'm out here fucking working right now, man. Got a little bro driving a daily today. He out here going to get something new. Not something new, but we going to get something. But anyway, like I was saying, I'm actually on this mode working, man. I got a couple videos going on, like, right now. And, like, work. This joint, you know. Basically, man, I ran up out of space. Or I got all my little instrumentals and stuff like that for when I want to make my stuff. You dig? We out here. Going out here right now to go pick. Hey, you know what it is, man. I ride nothing but Chevys. Chevys. But yeah. Yeah, eventually, sometime this year, I'm going to be catching flights, not feelings. That's the airport right there. I can't wait, man. I got something planned out for my birthday. Shit, while we wait, looks like we got about 18 minutes. So while we wait, man, I ain't finna hold y'all up. Actually, I'm gonna just sit back and cruise while this shit do what it do. But all in all, we got 2 videos coming up. I don't know how I keep coming up with these double headers, but I fucks with it. Appreciate y'all checking out that last video, you know, with Lil Bro getting his kinks checked out on the Mustang. We actually going up here right now to go get it and see what it is, see how it do. You know how they go. Ain't nothing but a car thing, baby. Yeah, that's right, you guessed right. We up here at the spot right now. He in there doing his paperwork or whatever they supposed to be doing. He in there doing whatever he gotta do. But I'm in here right now. I'm working, man. I'm on here working on another video because the other video really not done yet. But, hey, I appreciate it. Let that do what it do. We'll be back. Scared to start that motherfucker up. Oh shit. Time. Woo! Alright, nah, that boy sounding good up in this bitch. Woo! Alright. Hey, we gotta go now. Gotta go now. You still a work day. Say it's still a work day now. Gotta go. Man, hey, that motherfucker sound good, don't it? The boys did their thing. I'll be next. I can't wait now. Man, hey. Woo! That shit, hey, I can't even get it out, man. That motherfucker got me excited. That boy sound good. Ooh, that boy sound